let's check out the new YouTube collaboration feature. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Essetino from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so I'm in one of my videos right now, and YouTube recently released this new feature called collaboration or collaborators. And it's really cool because what it allows you to do is if you create a video with someone, like let's say it was an interview or it's a collab video of some sort, that one video can now be on both channels at the same time collecting views collectively. Because in previous, what you had to do was you film on one person's channel and then the other person films on the other person's channel, and that's kind of like how you have both. Or you like repurpose the other video on the other channel and you have to upload it a second time. And so now you can have one video and have it show up on two channels, which I think is really cool. We haven't used it yet, but this is where you see it. When you go to upload a video, you'll see collaboration. Grow your audience by collaborating with other collaborators and expand your video's reach to their audiences. So I think that's so cool. It's kind of like you're sharing a video. And if we click on it, you'll see a couple of things. So if you are uploading the video initially, it says you're in control, only you can make changes to the video. It's going to show up on their channel too, like the collaborator channel as well as yours. And it helps you expand reach. You do keep all the full ownership, so you keep all the revenue, views, and watch time from the video. So those are some things to note. Now let's pretend like I'm going to do a collaborator. You would just search for the channel. So I'm going to type in my other review channel here. Oh, there it is, Jules Galaxy of Reviews. It's a brand new channel that I just started. Okay, so let's pretend like I'm going to invite my other channel, Jules Galaxy of Reviews, to be a collaborator. This is what you would see. So it would say invite a collaborator, make sure it's the right one. You can see allow analytics viewing. So you can either turn this off or turn it on. If you leave it off, they won't have access to any revenue information. If you turn it on, obviously they can see all that kind of stuff. So it depends on what kind of arrangement or agreement you have with the person that you're collaborating with. And then when you're ready, click on create link. Okay, so from here, it's going to say to invite your collaborator, you must copy the link and share it with them. The link is active after you save. So you need to send this to the collaborator. They need to be signed into their channel. Click on that, accept it. And then once they accept on their side, the video will show up both on your channel and their channel. And the benefit of this is that the people on their channel will get exposed to your channel because it's going to show up with both names. I think this is so cool. And we're definitely going to do this when we do interview videos with different people. And it's a great way to get new exposure. So I love it. Amazing job, YouTube. I really like this collaboration. Can't wait to try it out when we do an interview with another person. And if you want to start your own YouTube channel, your own profitable YouTube channel, head down to the description below as we have our YouTube Authority checklist that you can download for free. Hit the thumbs up button if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.